12 Science, Subject Mathematics and Statistics, Part 2nd, Chapter number 2nd, Applications of Derivative. Dear students, we are going to study the approximations. If f of x is a differential function of x, then its derivative at x equal to a is given by the formula f dash of a equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. That is the definition of derivative at a point. Here we use sign for approximation, this sign. For a sufficiently small h we have. Suppose the value of h is very small, then f dash of a, here is approximation, equal to f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Take the cross multiply of h in LHS, then h into f dash of a equal to f of a plus h minus f of a. For simplifying, we get f of a plus h approximation equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. This is the formula to find the approximate value of the function at x equal to a plus h when f dash of a exists. Examples. Example number first. Find the approximate value of root of 64.1. Here is find the value of root of 64.1. The function is in root. Therefore, we take the f of x is root x, denoted by equation 1. Differentiate with respect to x, its derivative f dash of x equal to derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. Hence, f dash of x equal to 1 divided by 2 root x, denoted by equation 2nd. The number 64.1 is split as 64 and 0.1. Take a equal to 64 and h equal to 0.1. For x equal to a at a point equal to 64, from 1 we get, here is f of a, that is a is 64, therefore f of a equal to f of 64 equal to root of 64. 64 is a square of 8, therefore root of 64 equal to 8, denoted by equation 3. For x equal to a equal to 64, from second we get, here is f dash of a equal to f dash of 64. Here is f dash of 64, 1 divided by 2 root of x, value of x is we take 64. 64, root of 64 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. Therefore, f dash of a equal to 1 divided by 16. On simplifying, we get f dash of a equal to 0.0625, denoted by equation 4. We have the formula of approximation is f of a plus h approximate equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Here is value of a is 64, h is 0.1. Approximation. F of 64 plus 0.1 into f dash of 64. Putting the values of a and h. F of 64.1 approximation equal to value of f of 64 is 8 plus 0.1 into value of f dash of 64 is 0.0625 from 3 and 4 equal to 8 plus multiplication is 0.00625. Therefore, f of 64.1 equal to, that is root of 64 is equal to, addition of these two numbers is 8.00625. Example number second. Find the approximate value of 3.98 cube. Solution. Let f of x equal to x cube. Here is the function we take x cube, the number cube. Differentiate with respect to x, f dash of x. Derivative of x cube is 3x square, denoted by equation 2nd. The number 3.98 is split as 4 and minus 0.02. Therefore, we take a equal to 4 and h equal to minus 0.02. For x equal to a equal to 4, from equation first we get f of a equal to a is 4, that is f of 4 equal to 4 cube equal to 64, denoted by equation 3. For x equal to a equal to 4, from second we get, that is its derivative, f dash of x means f dash of a equal to f dash of 4 equal to 3. Value of x is 4. 3 into 4 square equal to 48. Equation 4. The formula of approximation is f of a plus h equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, put the value of a and h, f of 4 plus minus 0.02 equal to f of 4 plus minus 0.02 into f dash of 4. We use the formula. Put the value of a and h. Then the function f of 4 minus 0.02, that is f of 3.98, means 3.98 cube equal to value of f of 4 is 64 plus minus 0.02 value of f dash of 4, that is 48. Hence 3.98 cube is equal to 64. Here is multiplication. Simplifying we get 0.96. Hence 3.98 cube equal to, subtraction is 63.04. Example number 3. Find the approximate value of root of 8.95. Solution. Let f of x equal to root of x. Here is, we take the function is root of x. Then its derivative f dash of x is 1 divided by 2 root x. The number 8.95 is split as 9 minus 0.05. Hence, take a equal to 9 and h equal to minus 0.05. Find the value of f of a, that is f of 9. Hence, put the value of x equal to 9. Hence, f of 9 equal to root of 9 is equal to 3. And also find the value at a point its derivative, that is f dash of a. F dash of a is 9 means f dash of 9. Put the value of x equal to 9, then we get 1 divided by 2 root of x means 2 root of 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Therefore, f dash of 9 equal to 1 divided by 6. The formula for approximation is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, f of, put the value of a and h, 9 minus 0.05 equal to f of 9 minus 0.05 into f dash of 9. Therefore, f of 8.95 means root of 8.95 is equal to 3 minus 0.05 into 1 divided by 6. Put the value of f of 9 and f dash of 9, that is 3 and 1 divided by 6. Therefore, 3 minus, here is simplification, is 0.0083. Hence, root of 8.95 is equal to 2.9917. Example number 4. Find the approximate value of cube root of 28. Solution. Let the f of x equal to cube root of x. Take the function. Then its derivative f dash of x equal to d by dx of cube root of x means the degree of x is 1 divided by 3. Hence find its derivative. We use the formula of x raised to n, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. We get 1 by 3 into x raised to minus 2 by 3. Simplifying, we get 1 divided by 3 into x into 2 raised to 3. The number 28 is split as 27 plus 1. Hence, a equal to 27 and h equal to 1. The value at a point, that is f of a equal to f of 27, that is cube root of 27. We know that the value of 3 cube is 27, therefore is equal to 3. Hence f dash of a, that is f dash of 27, 1 divided by 3. Value of x is 27 divided by 2 by 3. 27 is 3 cube, 3 3 cancel, then we get 3 square. 3 square is 9, 9 into 3 is 27. Hence we get f dash of 27 equal to 1 divided by 27 is equal to 0.03704. The formula for approximation is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Then f of 28 equal to f of 27 plus 1. We know that the f of 28 is cube root of 28. Using the values of a and h in this formula, we get f of 27 plus 1 into f dash of 27. Therefore, f of 27 is 3 plus 1. F dash of 27 is 0.03704 from above equations. Then we get simplifying 3.03704. Hence, cube root of 28 is equal to 3.03704. Example number 5. Find the approximate value of fifth root of 31.98. Solution. Let f of x equal to fifth root of root x. Take the function. Then its derivative f dash of x equal to d by dx of x raised to 1 by 5. We use the formula of x raised to n, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. Hence we get 1 by 5 into x raised to minus 4 by 5. Take the power of x is positive, then we get 1 divided by 5 into x raised to 4 by 5. The number 31.98 is split as 32 minus 0.02. Therefore, take a equal to 32 and h equal to minus 0.02. Then f of a, that is f of 32, is equal to, here is fifth root of 32. We know that 2 raised to 5 is 32. Therefore, f of 32, its value is 2. Also find f dash of a, that is f dash of 32, is equal to 1 divided by, is 5. 32 raised to 4 by 5. 32 is 2 raised to 5 is 32. In 5 cancelled, we get 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 5 into 16 is 80. Hence f dash of 32 is equal to 1 divided by 80 is equal to 0.0125. The formula for approximation is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, f of 31.98 equal to f of 32 minus 0.02. Hence, fifth root of 31.98 as f of x is fifth root of x. Therefore, using the formula, put the value of a and h, f of 32 minus 0.02 into f dash of 32. F of 32 is the value is 2 and f dash of 32 is the value of 0.0125. Therefore, 2 minus, here is multiplication is 0.000250. Subtraction is 1.99975. Hence, fifth root of 31.98 is equal to 1.99975. Example 6. Find the approximate value of 3.97 raised to 4. Solution. Here, we take the function f of x equal to x raised to 4. Here is number raised to 4. Find its derivative, that is f dash of x. Hence, d by dx of x raised to 4. We use the formula of x raised to n. We get 4 into x cube. The number 3.97 is split as 4 minus 0.03. Hence, take a equal to 4 and h equal to minus 0.03. Then, f of a equal to, at a point is f of 4 equal to, it is x raised to 4, put the value of 4, 4 raised to 4 is 256. And also find f dash of a at a point, that is f dash of 4 equal to 4 into x cube. Value of x we take 4 cube. 4 cube into 4 raised to 1, that is 4 raised to 4 is also 256. The formula for approximation is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Value of f of a plus h means 3.97 is split as f of 4 minus 0.03. F of 3.97 is equal to 3.97 raised to 4 as we take the function is x raised to 4 equal to. Using the approximation formula, put the value of a and h, that is f of 4 minus 0.03 into f dash of 4. The value of f of 4 is 256. The value of f dash 4 is 256. 256. Putting these values, we get 256 minus him. This multiplication is 7.68. Taking the subtraction, we get 248.32. Hence, 3.97 raised to 4 equal to 248.32. Example number 7. Find the approximate value of 4.01 raised to 3. Solution. Let the f of x equal to x cube. Then f dash of x its derivative, that is 3x square. The number 4.01 is split as 4 plus 0.01. Therefore, take a equal to 4 and h equal to 0.01. Then, the value of f of a is 4, f of 4 equal to, that is 4 cube is equal to 64. Also find the value of f dash of a, that is f dash of 4. Then we get 3. Here is a is 4, then 4 square. 4 square is 16. 16 into 3 is 48. The formula for approximation is f of a plus h equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Put the value of a and h. F of 4 plus 0.01 equal to f of 4 plus h is 0.01 f dash of 4. F of 4.01 function is f of x equal to x cube. Therefore, f of 4.01 cube is equal to f of 4. Value of f of 4 is 64 and value of f dash of 4 is 48. Putting these values, we get 64 plus. Here is multiplication is 0.48. Addition is 64.48. Hence, 4.01 cube equal to 64.48. Thank you.